Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Forex Kijun Fluction Indicator. We'll cover how its custom Kijun style line appears in the indicator window and what its value and color imply about overbought and oversold conditions and how it reflects the direction of the current market trend. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so as you can see, the Forex Kijun Fluction Indicator appears as a single curve that oscillates within its own window, with values moving between negative and positive territory. When the curve value approaches the -25 region, it signals oversold conditions according to the indicator's logic, implying that price has pushed down far enough within the current context that a bullish phase may be developing. When the curve rises towards the +25 region, you can see over here, it signals overbought conditions, implying that price has pushed up strongly and that bearish conditions may be emerging. The line itself changes color to show trend direction. When it turns blue, the indicator interprets the market as being in a bullish trend, while when it turns orange, it interprets the market as being in a bearish trend. Together, the curve's value and color allow you to see at a glance whether the market is trending and whether it is pushing into overbought or oversold zones at the same time. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. So customizable settings include the period, level, smooth, adapt period. You can also set alerts and choose how the alerts come and what they sound like rather. You can also choose the preferred colors for what appears in a separate sub window, so it stands out clearly with our underlying MT4 chart theme. So who is the indicator for? The Forex Kijun Fluction Indicator is aimed at traders who want a single tool that can show both overbought/oversold conditions and the direction of the current trend within one curve. It can be particularly attractive for newer traders because it combines a clear color change with defined value zones, reducing the need to manage multiple indicators for trend and momentum. The indicator is an analytical tool only and does not place or manage trades. It simply provides visual cues that must be combined with risk management and trade planning. As with any overbought/oversold and trend reading tool, readings can stay extreme for long periods in strong trends, and color changes can be less reliable in choppy markets. So it is best used alongside additional confirmation and prudent money management. The download link for the Forex Kijun Fluction Indicator is in the description below. You can read the trading guide and see trade examples on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more content on single indicator strategies and Kijun style tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.